Haylou, a brand with great products on a budget side that is part of the Xiaomi ecosystem. Today, we have another great budget smartwatch, the Haylou GST, with a great price and premium features. But is any good? Let's find out. Welcome back, or welcome. And if that's the case, let me tell you, we do unboxings and tech reviews of cool tech, like this one today. And if that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing and give your thumbs up in this video. With this said, let's start the review of the Haylou GST. Let's start with the price. The Haylou GST have a price tag of £23.22 for the UK on AliExpress. And for the US, the price is $29.55. A very budget-friendly watch. Like always, I will leave links in the video description, please check them up for best price and product information. The Haylou GST comes with a silicone strap, a Type A USB charging cable with 2 magnetic pins, and a manual. When taking the watch from the box, you can see that the watch is simple and have an Apple look-like design, but looks great and feels like a premium watch on your hands. The Gst Dimensions are 49.9 by 38.7 by 11.7 mm and weighs 42 grams, with a 22 mm strap width. The body is made of zinc alloy and plastic and feels real well built. The screen is a 2.5D curved glass. On the right side we have the only button on the watch. It turns the screen on and off and works as a return on the menus. On the back, we have the 2 magnetic contacts for charging, and on the center, the sensors. Let me tell you what sensors the GST have, together with the features. So, we have a 1.69 inches HD display. We have motion sensor, SPO2 tracking sensor, 24 hours heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, 12 workout modes, IP68 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.1, 220 mAh battery, and the app FunFam. The pairing process is so easy and straightforward. Using the iPhone 13 Pro Max connects first time without any problems. The Haylou GST have a great square screen. With a 169 inches is a full screen touch control with a 2.5D curved glass. It's bright enough and clear. You'll be able to read all the notifications on your watch. Moving forward, the Haylou GST sadly doesn't have a speaker or microphone. Navigating through the menus is simple and fast. The GST is very responsive. Next, let's see more in detail the tracking features. So, we have SPO2 tracking, very handy during the current times. All-day heart rate monitoring, great on a budget watch. Sleep monitoring, the Haylou GST will recognize when you're going to sleep and when we wake up. A premium feature on a budget watch. And the last one, we have 12 workout modes. Not bad for a budget watch. And because you're talking about workouts, you'll be glad to know that you can control your music on the Haylou GST. Next, the battery. Well, the battery is always good on a budget watch. And that is because they don't have as many sensors like the more expensive watches. So, The battery on the Haylou GST will last you around 9 days on a normal use and around 20 days on a basic mode. The last is the app, Haylou Fun. Funny name. On the first tab, you can see your steps count data, set a target for example, your HR data during the day. Let's not forget that this 24 hours HR tracking, your sleep data, your oxygen level data, and even your weight. Next tab is the Sports tab, where you'll be able to see your workouts. Last tab, your settings. Going back to the first tab, on top you have My Smart Device. On there, you can change your watch faces, stop the HR tracking, and check which notifications you want on your watch, and so on. A simple app with all the data that you need. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Haylou GST smartwatch. An Apple Watch look-like design with a budget price, but with premium features like SPO2 tracking and 24 hours heart rate tracking. So, my next question is, would you buy it? Let me know in the comments. And before finishing, let me remind you that if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. With this said, I wish you a great day and I'll catch you later.